Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can import products from Amazon to Shopify. So essentially, I'm going to be guiding you through the process of how you can integrate your Shopify store with Amazon. This will empower you to add products straight from Amazon and overall help you with streamlining your dropshipping operations. Let's get started. So as you already know, Amazon is an e-commerce powerhouse. With its vast product catalog and unmatched inventory, it's a dropshipper's dream come true. But manually sourcing and uploading products from Amazon can be a daunting task, not to mention how time-consuming it is and how prone to errors we usually would be. And that's exactly where the Amazon integration comes into play. By using this dedicated application, you can seamlessly import Amazon products into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. It's a streamlined process that will save you countless hours and headaches, allowing you to focus on what really matters: growing your business and attracting customers. So let's go ahead and get into the process of having this done by logging into our Shopify account. And if you're new to Shopify, then go ahead and click on that Start for Free button. Upon creating your free account using the link in our description, you will be granted a 3-day free trial to test the platform, and then after that you can get any one of Shopify's main subscription plans for only $1 a month on your first month. Once you've created your account, you will land on the Shopify dashboard, and then from there we want to navigate to the application section. You will find it in the left hand menu right here. From there you want to navigate to the Shopify application store and then search for Amazon Import a Spreader application. Now this application comes at $5 per month, but you will have a 7-day free trial where you can fully test the application with any one of the plans that it offers. You will notice that the application has thousands of reviews, most of which are positive. So in my opinion, you should definitely go ahead and activate that free trial, see how it works for you, and if you benefit from it, continue with about $5 per month on the first plan, completely affordable. So simply click install or add application so that it integrates within your Shopify store. And with the application installed, you are now ready to start importing products from Amazon. Simply click on that Add Product button within the application's interface, and then the application will prompt you to paste the Amazon product page URL. So to do this, open up a new tab or window and head over to Amazon's website, browse through the catalog and find the product that you want to add to your store. And once you've had it, simply copy and paste that URL from the address bar. After that, you want to go back to the Amazon application and then paste the copied URL into the provided field. Click Add Product and then sit back and let the application work. It will start verifying and importing all of the necessary product details from Amazon, ensuring that your store's listing is accurate and up to date. And once the import process is complete, you will have the opportunity to review the imported product details. It will display the title, description, media files if it has any images or videos, of course the pricing information, and any other relevant data. So this would be your chance to make sure that everything looks right before finalizing the import. And if everything meets your expectations, then it's time to make it official. Scroll down and click Save and Add Product. And with that simple action, you will be adding the product to your Shopify store, making it available for customers to browse and of course purchase. By leveraging the power of this integration, you have just taken a significant step towards streamlining your dropshipping operations. No more annoying manually copying and pasting product details or wasting so much time on the importing processes. With the Amazon Spreader application, you can quickly and efficiently add new products to your store, ensuring that your inventory stays fresh and up to date. And the benefits of the application don't stop there. By automating the product import process, you will have completely freed up some valuable time and resources that can be reinvested into other areas of your business. Whether you want to invest it into marketing, customer service, or exploring any new product lines, you would now have the time to focus on growth and scaling. So think of the application subscription plan as an investment. And there you have it. That will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.